smoking gun number 2. Because yung smoking gun number 1, nandun yun sa video ko. This is 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to prove na yung mga sinasabi ni General Reo, ni General Reo, ni Kuya Edwin, ng Team Trio are true. Totoo yan. I'm not talking about the possibility of cheating. I'm talking about the certainty of cheating. Itong mga dokumento na to, ito yung sinasabi kong 99 smoking guns. It's not 1, it's not 2, it's 99. I'm going to show you, i-explain ko yan. Okay na, Jasper? Okay. I served as technical consultant kay Congressman Luis Villafuerte in the 2019 elections. Nagprotesta po siya. And the ballots were transported from his district all the way to the House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal. So lahat, 100 ballot boxes. However, namatay po siya before nabuksan yung mga balota. So the daughter filed a motion to allow the continuation of the manual recount. So ang sabi ng HREP, yes, we will allow you but you need to pay 1 million more. So nagbayad naman siya ng additional 1 million. And on December 10 to 15, binuksan yung 100 ballot boxes. So ang procedure po sa pagbukas sa manual recount is they will check, okay, I'll go there. Just press na lang, just press, as I say, press. Okay. Ito po yung revision report covering each ballot box. So bawat ballot box na bubuksan, may revision report yan. So ito po yung revision report in one particular precinct. Next slide. Take note na certified true copy yan, ha? Hindi ko yan ninakaw. Hindi ko to minagic. This is certified true copy. So, next slide. So they will put everything here, yung buong proseso. Jasper, can you press? So they will take note of every detail dito sa ballot box. So first, they will check kung nandun yung security seal. Merong metal seal. Please press. Ito, nandito, merong metal seal. Merong 4 na plastic seals. 5 plastic seals covered by serial numbers. Please press. So, intact. Properly attached and locked. So, ibig sabihin yung ballot box na preserved yung integrity ng ballots. Because nandun ang isang metal seal, 5 plastic seal, and properly attached and locked. So, please press. Sige, next. Kasi nandito siguro sa baba, di makita. Sige, next. Okay, hindi nga siya makikita. Hindi ba siya makita dito sa baba? Okay, now take note. Ang sabi ng, ito po yung, ang protestant si Villafuerte, ang protesti si Bordado. Ang sabi ng makina, election return ito, ha? Dito nyo makikita if the election return is reliable at all. Votes for Protestant, 115. Votes for Protesti, 403. Votes for other candidates, 44. So there were total of 562 votes counted by the machine. Pero ang balota that was counted is 598. Nasaan yung ibang boto? Yun yung unang tanong dyan. O, makikita mo naman, they are all accounted for. 115, 403, 44 is 562. But the ballots actually counted by the machine, valid ballots counted is 598. Nasaan yung 36? Hindi ito stray ballot because ang stray ballot nito 5 lang, as you can see later. Please press next. So ito na. Makikita nyo, ikukumpara natin. Ang ginagawa nila, sinicheck mo na lahat ng balota kung merong watermark. Kasi pag watermark, genuine. Pag walang watermark, peke yun. Now, in this case, 696 ballots without watermarks were accepted by the machines. So, hindi kahit fake ballots, the machines will count. So, ito. Pinilang nila yung balota.